Step 1. First, we are going to install the U-shaped bracket. Take out all parts. Install the sunshade on the monitor. Place the patch on monitor. Put the bracket on the side of the monitor, like my way. Install screws on both sides. Tighten screws. You can adjust the bracket's angle according to your need, like my way. Now, we take down the U-shaped bracket. You can stick the 3M sticker in the bottom to fix monitor. Then, we will install the fan-shaped bracket. Rotate the screw to loosen. Clasp the opening mount. Then, tighten the screw. The angle can be adjusted flexibly. Next, tear off the yellow paper. Stick it in the bracket to fix the monitor. Next, install the bracket to the back of the monitor. Slide the cube into the slot on the back. Adjust the screw to make our need. Then, install one antenna on the monitor, like my way. Install the other antenna on the camera. The bracket of camera is flexible. It can rotate 360 degrees. Now, we will demonstrate how to adjust the camera's angle and fix the camera. Take out some screws. Sometimes there is the angle we need. If you need a bigger angle, you can insert the screw in the hole and tighten it. Your camera dock can be up to this angle like my operation. You can take down all screws. Adjust the bracket's position like my way. Then insert and tighten screws, like my operation. You can adjust the bracket with the biggest angle. When we will take down all parts to restore its original packaging. Step 2 test. First, plug one power cord to the monitor. Plug the other power cord to the camera. Connect the thin red wire to the red, while the thin black wire to the black. Then, insert the mixed red wire into the positive of the green connector, the mixed black wire into the negative. Plug the green connector to the cigarette lighter adapter. Put through power supply. Press the button. The monitor appears in image. The key button of the monitor is lighting up. Press the sensor on the middle of the camera. You can see red lights, so all is okay. Take down all parts. Step 3 connection. The red wire can connect the ACC, fuse, radio, etc. The black wire can connect the ground. Connect the cigarette lighter adapter to the monitor. Press the button. Connect the red wire to the positive, the black wire to the negative. The image appears. Step 4. The function of keys. First, the power is on or off. The CH key can switch CAM1 into CAM3, CAM4 and quad. For the menu key, there are 8 icons. The first icon is pairing. Up or down key can switch to the second icon. Press the SEL key can enter. There are 3 icons: brightness, contrast and saturation. Press the menu to exit. The third icon can adjust the image into mirror, facing, vertical view. The fourth can adjust the split mode. There are 8 forms. The fifth is to set on or off of the installed cameras. Also, you can set the time to switch different cameras. If you don't use this function, you can close it. For the sixth, you can set time, FPS, guidelines. Press the SEL to enter. The guidelines is on. Then, you can use the up or down key to adjust the height and vertical of the guidelines. The seventh icon can play video. You need to insert SD card to save the data. The default is to record. You can press SEL to stop. The last icon is to set the looping video and format the SD card. Step 5. Test the second camera. Put through the power. Enter the menu. Begin pairing. The pair signal is successful. Also, we test the camera 3. Press CH to camera 3. Enter the menu. Press the pairing. Reconnect the power. The pairing is OK. Again, we test the camera 4. The same operation like before.
No matter what signals or installation problems you meet, please contact us to get a professional solution. Thank you.